say hi. So, decided to take a trip to a beach, and it's like 63 degrees, and everyone has their kids in sweats and sweatpants and sweaters and wearing shorts and tank tops. So, we'll see how this goes.
So not to worry, we only have to be here 5 more hours and it'll be sunny.
There's literally not a single person sitting out here except for surfers. Just us. What happened to your blanket? Oh no. It's sunny, y'all. Clouds are gone. People are arriving.
I'm working on my sock tan.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. You guys need to see this. Look at those white feet. Holy moly.
Ridiculous. I need to tan those babies.
We're on our way home after a great beach day. Little Buggy back there is asleep. Maybe might get something to eat on the way home. We'll see. We are home now. We all got a little toasty. Not the big. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Where's Charlie at? Hi, Papa. These are our dogs. Charlie boy. Hi, buddy. You chubby boy.
Easy la la. Easy la la.
Look at those socks. Good Lord, babe. What you got on that grill, babe?
Some barbecue chicken.
Okay, so I had to change my shirt. It was getting a little painful. The sunburn's definitely worse than I initially thought. Very painful. So, that's fun. It's on my arms too. Is what it is. Still had a good day. Right?
Right.
Alright, so it is a little bit after 10 o'clock now. Bug is asleep. We had dinner and we're just kind of hanging out on the couch now. Excuse my crazy sunburn. It hurts so bad. My crazy hair. Long day. Anyway, I just wanted to quickly update those of you who might not follow us on our Instagram. A lot has happened since our last YouTube video. We haven't posted since like last year. We do have a placement. We picked her up from the hospital when she was 3 days old, and she's 9 months old now. She is the best. We love her so much. We are headed towards adoption, hopefully getting the ball rolling soon. We really don't want to go into much more detail on that right now. If you want to follow us on our Instagram, we post a lot more often on there, so I will leave all the information in the description below if you want to come check it out. And I think that'll be it for tonight. Have a great night. Hoping to post videos each week. We'll see how long we can keep up with that. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Bye.